2022 was really a rough year for most global markets, and crypto was no exception to that. But we've gone from now a time where there was a lot of fear and negativity in the market to a time of optimism. And in fact, a recent survey that was conducted by eToro showed just this. Now, this survey actually showed that more than 2/3, approximately 69% of retail investors revealed that they are positive or have mixed feelings about the impact of the prolonged market downturn recorded last year. The remaining third, approximately 31%, stated that they are wary of investing in the industry after the crash. Now, eToro's global markets strategist Ben Laidler said the fact that 2/3 of the retail investors feel indifferent or even more positive after the worst year for markets in a generation might seem odd. But the majority of this cohort thinks in years and decades. For those with longer time horizons, the back end of 2022 has offered a chance to buy companies at lower valuations, improving the outlook for long-term returns. I've always said, crypto is not get rich quick. It does take time. There's just more volatility. The market moves faster. That's where the opportunity for greater returns really comes in. Now, there has been a shift, again, like I mentioned, from this negativity towards more of a positive feeling. This study also found that at the end of quarter 3 of 2022, about 24% of retail investors considered the perceived threat considered the biggest threat of their portfolios to be inflation. Now, by the end of 2022, the inflation worry had dropped to only 19%, and some of their worries had shifted elsewhere. This just goes to show you that there is a big shift in sentiment when it comes to the crypto market. Times are changing. And in fact, typically, these markets do bottom out before the economy starts to recover. And that could really send things moving in the right direction for crypto as a whole. Now, are we through the worst of it? Probably not. Okay, inflation is still high, but it seems to have leveled off. There's still the possibility of a looming recession, as well as other macro factors that impact crypto, war abroad, interest rates, all these sorts of things. They are on the tip of people's minds, but times may be getting better ahead of us. At least the sentiment around crypto as a whole is changing more towards the positive. So I appreciate you guys as always. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video and got through me stuttering in this one. I appreciate you guys as always. But hopefully you do show your support here for the ClearCryptos channel. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, stay updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. Hope you guys have a great day, and we really hope to catch you in the next one. Take care.